Welcome to this tutorial. How to recover deleted emails from Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account. Scroll down the left side menu list. Click on More and then scroll down again. Click on Trash. You will find your deleted email here. Select an email which you want to recover. Click on the Move to at the top. Select the location where you want to move your email. As we are clicking on Inbox to move this email. Go back to your inbox, and you will find your email here. See how simple it was. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to us.